Doing a walking taco bar today. And we're going to use our Tasty Bite Chana Masala, which is a tomato-based entree. Another really good entree that you could use would be the matras lentils. That is also tomato-based and pretty hearty. It would go very well with this taco recipe that we're doing. We're also going to use a brand called Seeds of Change. Seeds of Change is similar to Tasty Bite in terms of preparation and the quality of their products. Also pretty cool about Seeds of Change is they donate 1% of their profit to people to grow their own food with seeds and things like that. So this is a pretty cool brand to get into. And these are going to be microwave prepared. 60 seconds for the chana masala and 90 seconds for the rice. So I will go ahead and get this started, and then when we come back, we'll go ahead and jump into our taco bar. So we have our chana masala and our Seeds of Change rice ready to go. We're gonna finish setting up this taco bar. Josh, come on over, help yourself. I just need to finish cutting up these tomatoes. I used our Chop Wizard, which is a really fun kitchen gadget to help you chop up vegetables and fruits and anything like that pretty quickly and seamlessly. You just put it on top. I already chopped it, so I can't show you, but you just put it on top, goes through the grate, and it comes out evenly diced. This is a really simple preparation taco bag that you can do. You can use whatever ingredients you want. We're using some traditional ingredients, lettuce, cheese, tomato, onion, sour cream. We're also doing the crunch with some chips, some Fritos or Cheetos for this one.
And what's cool about having the cheese right after the chana masala and the rice, the Seeds of Change rice, is that the heat from those is going to melt the cheese.
It smells great, Mark.
Thanks. Yeah, this is a really just like crowd-pleasing recipe. You can make this pretty much anywhere. All you really need is a microwave and a countertop to lay out your taco bar, and that's it. This is really good for like college students in dorm rooms. If you're having a little party, put together this quick taco bar, everybody's gonna love it.
And it's a cool thing to have also if you actually have a game room. We have our Tasty Bite beer pong table right here. And we have our Lagunitas Dogtown. Thanks guys for that. That's fantastic. Our Tasty Bite beer pong table. So yeah, Josh and I are going to play a little game of beer pong. And you can still have your walking taco while you're actually playing your beer pong.
This is true. My money's on Bethany.
I honestly don't really remember how to play beer pong. I actually scored.
Throw it in the cup.
Nice! And this is a really fun setup, you guys. We have all of the cups branded.
Mm-hmm.
You can see here.
That's
then
taco on my cup.
and the table is branded, and we also have the ping pong balls branded as well. So this is a really fun setup and a nice way to get together.
Yeah, and you know what? Try to, if you're going back to college, if your kids are going back to college, keep an eye out for us next year, next fall. We should be hopefully at your college for not good
Not good at all.
or apparently I had a fluke. But yeah, join us because I mean we'll have our Tasty Bite tent out there. We're gonna have our table. We'll have kind of a lounge, and we'll be doing some walking tacos then too. So thanks for joining us all this week for all of our cooking segments. And hopefully you have been inspired to make some Tasty Bite meals as well. See you soon.
Bye, guys.
Bye.